Hi, this is Graham at 2cvtools.com, and today I'm going to show you the Citroen 2CV 435 double cardan drive shaft. The drive shaft have protective cups on them. Here's one here, and this particular part is held on with a ring or a collar, and that is a press fit onto this diameter here, and it holds the cup in position, so you can then put your gaiters on. But you've got to get this cup off, and especially this thing, to be able to get at the cardans to overhaul them. So the problem with this particular one was getting this off, and what I had to do was grind a flat on it and split it. No, just crack it, because it is an extremely tight fit. It's either pressed on or it's heated up and pressed on to create the interference fit. So simply, carefully, very carefully grind this down, grind it down to about there, and then chisel it slightly. Be careful you don't touch this or the shaft diameter, and then it'll come off. To get the new one on, you'll put this here, put it on this way around with the recess towards the cup. You put that on there, and this goes on, and then a nut, if I can get it on. Tighten that right up, and it'll press it down to hold the cup in position.